Hey, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been away for a long time because I've been busy with work, but now I'm going to be even more regular with the videos. So today is a Saturday, early evening of a Saturday, and I have one important task to do, and that is to go to Market Yard because I have to pick up some things for my restaurant. Market Yard is a big market where you get everything at wholesale prices, so it's very nice for the restaurant owners. We are going to Market Yard just now, and I'll try to show you the place a little, but let's try to make it as interesting as possible, so stay tuned. Ather. I'm going to have to come to the showroom to test ride the scooter. I'll be coming. Iska bhi ek vlog banega. The barista that you can see has been around for almost 15 years, and it used to be my college hangout place. I used to come here almost every day. उस टाइम पे बहुत पैसा देते थे मेरे को मेरे डैडी, पॉकेट मनी. अभी यहाँ पे पेस्ट्री शॉप आ रहा है. It's called the Pastry Corner. I don't even remember how old this place is. See, this is that, and we're going to come here. We stopped here because we want to have some rolls. Again, college memories. I've parked my car in a very weird way. So what to do? There's no parking here. So this is the Pastry Corner shop that I was talking about. Has it ever happened that my wife has gone to get something and she's come out quickly, like in less than 5 minutes? Manchurian roll, veg. Of course, I'm a vegetarian. Yum. Just like the old days, just like the college days, yeah. The taste hasn't changed. Very reasonable, 25 rupees. 20. Better put the mask back on. It's getting quite hot now. I can feel that the summer is approaching. It's very hot. Although it's 4:45 in the evening. The Market Yard is almost around the corner. Been moving for more than an hour. Chale ja rahe. There's a lot of traffic. It's a Saturday evening, but this work was very important, so we had to come here today. Karna padta hai. So this is the entrance of Market Yard. I've been coming here for over 9 years for my restaurant material and restaurant ka saman. This place is very important because the rates that these guys provide, all these traders, no one else does, so you have to come here. But the drive is not very enjoyable because there's so much of traffic, no matter what day of the week, what time of the day. So yeah, today is a Saturday evening, and today I had to come because tomorrow is a Sunday, which means this place is closed. Wow, khatarnak cut maar diya hai mere ko. Chalo. Now the first stop is going to be rice. I purchased my basmati rice, fine quality, from this trader. Wherever you look, there will be suppliers. Obviously, because we are in Market Yard, what else will we get to see? But this place is huge. You can get everything. Dry fruits. There's so many lanes that are parallel to each other, so sometimes it's difficult to find your supplier, even though I've been coming here for so many years now. So everything looks the same, all the lanes look the same. Sunset over the trucks. I'm lost once again. I can't find my supplier. I think he should be somewhere here now, closer to that turn. Nope, not here. Damn it. I'm back to where I started. Me and my wife are watching the sunset from Market Yard. How romantic. I have to drive like a pro along these truck drivers. My god, they are such experts. This is the best time to come to Market Yard actually, because it's not hot. Wrong turn. I have to take a U-turn now. Alright, here we go. So that is the last stop for today at Market Yard. This is one very well managed place, but thousands and thousands of tons coming in and out every day. Because everything looks so well managed. The traders, it shows that they've been doing this for a very long time, and that experience talks. There's another rice supply here. Scale of these traders, you know, they have a very small office in the front, but they have a massive go down behind. But it is a very crowded place, and I don't enjoy coming here because there are just so many trucks in all directions, and they are going in all directions, so you have to sort of dodge everybody. Oops. I have to come here once in 15 days, so today is that day. This is the last stop for the day. Masalas. So Suhana is one of the best suppliers of masalas in Pune, I think. So his masalas are really good, and we've been using these masalas for a very long time. So yeah, look at the store. And that's it, we are done. Done for the day. I think I'm going to delegate this job now. I've been doing this for a very long time. Tempo wala or something, and just asked him to come and purchase it for the whole month. So yeah. So we are near the Swargate area just now, and there's a huge metro station that is getting built here. So I think the metro is going to take at least 2-3 more years, that's my guess. Yeah, so this is going to be one of the biggest metro stations in Pune. I don't know if you can see it. Cranes and everything. Always let them cross. Always let anybody cross the road. So that's it guys, this was a very short and simple vlog. There was nothing really much to show in this video, so I thought why not just make a vlog of my routine trip to the Market Yard for my hotel supplies. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel, because this was just a casual vlog. A lot more exciting, a lot more serious and exciting content coming up. Stay subscribed and continue watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.